What's up, everybody? I hope you are doing, my people, and I hope you all, my Rwandan friends, are doing wonderful. I am back once again after a full year, but I found a lot of things changed. So right now I'm standing in the entrance of where I spent the night. It is a new thing these days during the pandemic days. If you just come to Rwanda, you are supposed to check into a hotel for until your results are back. So this is where I stayed, and I was like, how about if I show you around, because it was a good experience. Much as I loved at night after those 18 long hours of layover at Jomo Kenyatta Airport, this is where I stayed. Come with me. So over here they have a chill seat, I think, for the gate man under the tree, under the coconut tree. This is under the mango tree, and this is the entrance. In front of you is their minibar, and this is the parking area. It is early in the morning, no people yet, or some people still sleeping, or some have gone to their daily routines. This is the entrance, as you can see, and this is the front view of the hotel. It is actually called Corina K Guest House. I don't mind giving them a shout out because the hospitality was good. Like, we are chatting with the hosts and the workers like we are family, so I really love that. And this side is the bar. Let me go to the bar and see what is in there. Let me check out the bar. Who checks out a bar this early morning? Well, this is the bar in my background. I'm actually not so much of a bar person, but you know, you can chill around, have a soft drink. It is not a must that if you go into a bar you must booze. No. But now let me take you to the room. I have a feeling my room is one of their best. Is the way towards the entrance, like this. Man, look at that. Look at this couch. Look at this sitting area. Look at that. Look how comfy are the curtains. They have a little chandelier over here. Some art, as you can see, the TV, more art, more decorations. Wow, look at the details. So you know, I had all this to myself. This is just the waiting area to myself. But problem, I actually never sat here. At night, I just came straight and I went like this to this side. This is supposed to be the dining area, but I also never ate from there. My food just came straight to my bed because I was super tired. Another eating area, in case you are into a business meeting or something, you sit here. And this is the way to my room. Let me take you pretty quick. So the lights in here are not that so bright. They made it look kind of romantic. I think hotels have that theme. In most cases, people who visit hotels come as couples, right? I don't know. Can you come in the comment section and let me know the last time you was in a hotel? What did you go to do there? Because we are watching and we know what you did. And this, what? I slept here like a baby. I was super tired. I've not been tired like that for a period of time. 18 hours of layover, and I decided not to sleep. Well, I slept off a little bit, but it was nothing sleeping on the floor or on those waiting chairs. It made nothing. But when I reached here, it was all good. Anyway, let me show you into details of this one, my room. From here, I'll be heading to the next destination. I've already reserved for Airbnb. That is where I prefer staying because I want to come in a country and feel like home. Much as here was good, but I believe at home or in Airbnb, you get to chill with the real country people. Anyway, pretty quick, let me take you through this bathroom also. And this saved my life. This saved my life. I needed it. I needed this. Maybe this too, but this mostly. For hey, my good people, I am planning a sit-down video. I want to tell you the whole new process to come travel to Rwanda. This whole thing disturbed me from when I was just having a plan. I went to the bus, there was no bus to Rwanda. I was like, let me use a flight. But there has also been a haggle to reach here. It actually just takes too much love. If you are not determined, you don't come. Either way, it is still beautiful. That is the joy that you feel after accomplishing something. I'll be seeing you in the next video. I'm going to show you, tell you details of what it takes to come to Rwanda during these pandemic days. And also come in the comment section, let me know if you have traveled here in the recent days. How was it for you? Unless otherwise, until next time, my name is Osi, the Born Child. Bye-bye.